How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we'll be talking about Zeus Bounty, the new smart contract that everyone's starting to talk about. And I want to give you my review, my week review, and pretty much let you know if this is something that you should even check out and get started with, because we know there's a lot of different smart contracts that we've seen come and go, Ponzi schemes, rug pullers, things that just weren't built to ever stand around. They were built to, stack up a whole bunch of money and the creators to take it and run. So the great thing about it is Zeus's Bounty was literally built on the opposite concept. A concept of being around for a while, pretty much having different incentives for the member. This is a heavy member-based program, meaning there's a lot of different perks for members. So right now we're in the back office. You see right now there's over 4,000, almost 5,000 total users. You see the amount of BNB, which that's what we get paid in this smart contract. How much BNB has been contributed, totals bounty reap, and they also do charity. Some of the earnings go right to charity per withdrawal. So let's refresh this and see if there's any new members. We had it at what, 36, so we're still 36. We're going to refresh throughout this and see if any new members are joining. Right now it's 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So to not ramble too much, I'm going to actually come to the compensation plan and just touch on some points. Zeus's Bounty is a software-based program. There's softwares that go along with this smart contract. The softwares are funded through the smart contract. So each level you come in at, see if no, I'm not on that page, but each level you come in at funds the softwares for a certain amount of time. 0.5 BNB funds it for 3 months, and it goes up to years. So the big general idea is having your affiliate marketing tools pretty much pay for it for good, taking that expense away. Here's one of the tools. They have 2 active tools right now. That's the ZB shortener and a autoresponder. I personally already have a bundle of suites with one of my affiliate offers. So this is the main tool I'll be using. They'll be bringing out more, rolling out more, such as a webinar, software, landing page, website builder, all the general tools that most affiliate marketers have. I like this shortener because it's more than just a tiny URL shortener. It shows analytics from state, country, device, browser, and where the traffic's coming from, despite the link. So if I post and paste this link anywhere, it'll show me exactly where the traffic's coming from. They have a bio page, which I don't know if you guys are familiar with Linktree, so you can customize that. They have just a whole bunch of different resources that go with this link shortener, or features, I should say. So this is a great. I will be using this a lot. I already am using it a lot. So to get back to this compensation plan, let's just talk. I'm gonna try to not go through everything, so because you guys are gonna be able to come through here and see this is all, because you're gonna get access to the to the Zeus's Bounty affiliate section. So you're gonna be able to track your affiliate information, your signups, clicks. You're gonna have creatives, pretty much all the resources for promoting this on social media. You're gonna have training modules. So how to get
Welcome
started.
to the Zeus Academy.
Here's the creator of Zeus's Bounty. So you're gonna have everything to get started. Getting your crypto wallets. If you know nothing about crypto, I'll help you with this as well. But you're gonna have a lot of training modules in social media. You're gonna be able to learn what cryptocurrency is, etc. And to scroll back, this is an extra thing for marketers. I have not used this. This is something totally extra. Here's where you're gonna access the information on the software once you get started with the program. Here's the compensation plan I'm going to go to, and you're going to have how-to videos. If we scroll up a little bit, here is the information. I don't want to scroll up. It's my sponsor's information up there. But you're going to see my information, and here's going to actually be the link to get started with Zeus's Bounty. It's going to actually, this is not the link for you. It's going to be my personalized link, and this is pretty much the first step you're going to take before you even scroll down there, unless you're looking for more information. You're going to read this. It's going to have my email so you can contact me when you're ready to get started, but you can click this link and it's going to link to whatever wallet of your choice is. So if you've seen this is on the mobile, it's going to link to whatever wallet you have. If you're doing this on PC, it's going to link to whatever wallet that's compatible, and you're going to be able to, you know, pay your BNB. Short disclaimer, if you're new to crypto and you're buying crypto off of, because you can buy it off of these wallets, but you can buy it in other places such as crypto.com. I'll leave the link in this below in this video description. If you're new, when creating an account, you know, getting crypto and transferring it to another wallet, there's most of the time a 24-hour security wait. So they'll have 24 hours to verify your account and make sure everything's good. So be aware of that. So you may go to get started and they might say, hey, you need to wait 24 hours before you can send this to the wallet that you need to get started with Zeus's Bounty. So just take note of that. So we're going to come back to this compensation plan. We're going to scroll around. I'm going to touch on some key points. When you get started at each level, you're going to get a certain amount of downline. So I started at 0.5. I think that's the minimum now. Don't quote me, but when I got started, I had to get started for a minimum of 0.5 BNB, and you're going to get 6 upline and 6 downline, and it's going to look like this. Here's my upline, and you see they're making withdrawals, profits, etc. So you're gonna have this automatically. So each level, they're gonna add on more. So when you go to 1 BNB, you're gonna get 2 more. And how they, you know, said this and stated this in the webinar tonight is, you already have these extra members waiting. They're already joined. They're already waiting at each level. So when you start reaching these new levels, they're going to unlock, and all those accumulated BNBs are going to be there, and you're going to get access to all those when you unlock these levels. And to unlock these levels, you don't have to pay a difference. You can just wait till, you know, your recruits and your uplines and downlines generate income until you reach a total contribution of the next level. So for example, if you're coming at 0.5 and you're referring people, or your uplines and downlines are real good, and you accumulate a total of 1 BNB, it's going to unlock the next level. So as we scroll down here, the next way to get paid is through your unilevel. I'm scrolling down here. I have no recruits, so I've made my first withdrawal today of about 13 bucks with no recruits, just because I was testing out the system. So this is your family tree. So all your personal recruits will be shown here. And here's how it works. 20% on your personal recruits, 10% on their personal recruits, and it goes all the way down to the levels. You know how this thing goes. But it's a very reachable compensation plan. As we scroll down, you're going to also see this here. 7% admin fee, and this is going to go to our other perk, which is we have a lot of drops. So new members get a drop, people who reach a certain rank get drops, top referrals get drops. So this 7% admin fee goes into these airdrops every week. But what I'm touching on is this is how money keeps flowing through Zeus's Bounty. 60% is recontributed into the program, 40% is going to the wallet. So your upline and downline, when they cash out, depending on their level, because the higher you get, the more it goes to your wallet, and least goes to your goes back into the program. But everyone that withdraws, whether you're your upline, downline, personal recruit, and your family tree, whatever, 60% is going back into the program, and this is happening for everyone. So every time someone withdraws, it trickles down and everyone starts getting paid. And as you see, when you rank up in levels, the contribution versus what goes to the wallet changes. For referrals, it's 50-50. For BNB, you see how it works. So to touch back down here, we'll get into what they call airdrops and stimulators, what I kind of touched on. There's a 7% fee up on withdrawal, where 50% of it goes right back into the community, and 5 weekly airdrops of BNB directly into members Zeus's wallet. We like to call that stimulator. So pretty much what I just touched on. There are multiple stimulators throughout the program to make it more exciting, make it a more exciting program that anyone has ever joined. Zeus's Bounty will forever change the company favorite programs and will be modeled to copy and improve. So this is another perk just for being a new member, reaching a certain level, being a top referral. You're going to get free BNB. And here's just another list of the airdrops. Pretty much what I already said. Already generalized it. Top referrals, airdrops, 14% of companies' profits will be shared amongst the top 30 referred every week. You must have at least 2 new referrals to qualify. They have random airdrops. So they say this is how they really structure this or talk about this specific part. They say this is the money that most smart contract owners run off with. You know, when they reach a certain amount of BNB, they pull the rug and they go. But look what Zeus's Bounty is saying and what they're saying to do. Once the company reaches 5,000 BNB in total contributions, Zeus will give away up to 5 BNB each week, split randomly with 50 members. So every time, you know, these are numbers that most smart contracts hide or accumulate, and once it's big enough for them, they leave. Zeus's Bounty is saying, when we hit these numbers, we're going to put it back into the program because we want the program to stay around for years and years and years. The program is set to cancel out once as much as has been contributed in the program equals what has been paid out, which will take years and years and years and years to happen, meaning win-win for everyone. So that's a breakdown on the compensation plan, which is the main reason you're here. So let me see, I touched on about everything, modules, software. So the biggest thing to leave off before I end this video is pretty much, is this something that you see sticking around, lasting? And is this something that I should get going in? Because you've probably been in smart contracts that have been burned. I've been in 2, you know, Tron. I even forgot the name of them. But a Tron one and an Ethereum one. And I was burnt in both of them. One of them I did make all my money back before it disappeared. And, you know, they pretty much just disappeared. However, Zeus's Bounty, just with the community, the Facebook community, hearing what's going on, hearing how these active webinars are being presented every Sunday, is showing me that this should be around for a while. Long as they stick to what they're saying, it should be around for a while. I made money as soon as I got started. I made a quarter of my investment back without recruiting anybody, which is not a good, you know, it's not a good idea to do that. You know, you want to try to build a business. You want to try to bring people in and help people. So when I start doing that, the money will be exponential. BNB is going up. It's a nice coin. So I'm thinking this will be around for a while. I'm thinking this is the goal. I feel good about this, especially with the airdrops, the community. It's pretty easy to navigate. There's software behind it. The idea is to eliminate your software debt. A lot of people can use these softwares, especially newbies. I've been in the game for some years now, so I have my own little routine, but I have spent thousands and thousands of dollars on software, so I know how expensive auto ships can get. And this program is here to take that auto ship off your hands and free you up. And I've seen a lot of people making some good money, no income guaranteed, but it's seeming like it's flowing good. They're actually entering the NFT space, and are going to take the profits from that and put it back into the program. So it's looking very good. It's looking very good. I think I want to put my name behind this one and post a lot of videos for you guys. And I think this is going to be, I can't say it's going to get you rich or anything like that, but I think this, if you work it right and they stick to what they say, I think this will be a very big thing to take serious and build. I think this would be a great thing. Try to hit those top referrals every week and just build this, stack your BNB and get ahead. You know, start cashing out, buying other crypto. And I'm not giving no crypto advice or financial advice. I think this would be a great full-time income. So let's refresh to see if there's any new members. It's pretty late. Let's refresh one more time. I kind of glitched. So there's no members right now. Like I said, it's 8, it's 11 at night where I'm at, so I know it's even later where everyone is at. But you see the numbers. This smart contract started in January, and you see the numbers, the total BNB thousands. You can look up how much BNB this is, USD or whatever currency you're in, and you'll see even a lot of money has been raised to charity. And to touch on that, you have the option. And actually, to also touch on something, I cashed out a few hours ago. I was zeroed out, and you already see my my wallet is going up. I was zeroed out a few hours ago, and I have not recruited anyone today. So you see how it's working. So if you uncheck this, you see my wallet goes up because the charity zeroes out. So if you don't mind, you know, you're getting a lot of money with Zeus's bounty to keep this check. It goes to some good charities of all sorts, you know, shelters, kids, good charities. So yes, I'm gonna leave this and cut this video off here right now. So if you want to make money online in 2022, you like crypto, or want to get into crypto, you want to take it easy, you know, you like team building, you like, you know, passive income, active income, and just online income type of opportunities, this is a good one called Zeus's Bounty. I'll leave all the information in the description below. Make sure you check it out. Create an account. Check the compensation plan out for yourself. Ask me some questions. Get started. Get in a group. And let's build. Let's build. Have a great day. Make sure you thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and comment below any questions or anything you liked about this video. Have a great day.